Now, you are someone who's looking and basically to make money online by listening to music because you already like to listen to music and you've been listening to music for your whole life and you are now trying to make money from that. But you don't know how because you've been checking out all of these YouTube videos, like these big guys, make money online guys, and they're telling you that you can make money by just doing these kind of stuff. But in this video I just took the time and also watched and basically went through and did the research for you guys, and I've came out to these top 3 websites that will literally pay you. And also I'm gonna demonstrate everything for you, how you can make up to 100 to $200 per month just listening to music. All right, now we will be going to be starting that in just a second. But before that, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release a new video. Also, make sure to smash that like button. Now, without further ado, let's start with the video. Now, the first thing what you need to do is you need to have a PayPal account, because essentially all of these things that I'm going to be explaining needs you to have a PayPal account. And in fact, PayPal is available worldwide and is 100% free, and it's available to 250. There's so many people using the PayPal. There's 250 million users and it's basically available. So what you have to do is you're going to click sign up for free, and then you basically going to create personal account, because else if you have a business and you want to create a business account, and you're just going to click that and continue, and that's all. And then you're going to fill up the details and that's about it. And the first website we are going to be reviewing for you guys, it's called Hit Predictor. Now, the idea of this website is basically to because these artists make music and they want opinions, because music, it's all about opinions. And if you like the music, all you have to do is you're gonna listen. They're gonna give you a bunch of musics and songs, in fact, and you're gonna review these songs by rating it into from 1 being the best and 5 being the worst. I'm sorry, it's the other way around. So you're gonna click set this, and then you are gonna be, whenever you have signed up. Now basically to sign up is pretty much simple. They're gonna ask you your username and your email, and then your password, your birthday, and all of that good stuff. And here what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna be selecting from these. Now basically what this means is the genre, where mainstream top 40, where the big music, like these top artists Rihanna and all of these people are in the top 40. And these also R&B, classic rock, and alternative country. All of these are the R&B, I mean the genre which you are preferred to listen to. So I'm basically into this and this, and also I sometimes listen to country, and that's all about that I do. And you're gonna click save changes, and that's all. So basically, and then here what you have to do, you're gonna click rate music, and then there's gonna be this new page will come up where you're gonna be starting rating music. All right, now here you're gonna click I'm not a robot, and you're just gonna click the crosswalk where they are asking you, and then verify. All right, and then once you verified, then there's gonna be this new page, and then check for new stuff. Once you click this button, there's gonna be new stuff that coming out. Looks like you've rated everything. I've did some rating before, so basically they don't give you so many songs, and they can give you some songs, and then you can rate them, listen to them, and then rate them. And I hope you guys also see this. You're gonna see a couple of musics into your dashboard, and here are, now these are the top songs in Head Protector, this website. Now here what you have to do is this is a song. Now here what you have to do, these are the songs that you need to listen to, where Roses, Savage Love by Jason Derulo, and Coffee for Your Head, another one, and Charlie Puth, I Hope, this is a new one that people are rating right now and they're making money from. So, and then you're going to be having points for every music you rate. Now this is all about the first website that I'm going to speak in about, and that's all about it. Now the second website that we're going to be speaking is somehow it's somehow similar to the Head Predictor, but this one they are not going to send show you the emails on the website. Now here what you have to do is first you're gonna sign up to the account, and you are gonna be signed as an I'm a music fan, or that you listen to music. And then you're gonna be clicking on the match. Once you click on the match, you're gonna be uploading 5 songs. All right, because these, whenever you upload these songs, they're gonna match these songs with the thing you have uploaded. And then you're gonna listen to these music, and then they're gonna send you emails to your email. And then you're gonna it's basically somehow a survey where you're gonna listen to the music, and then you're gonna survey about the songs, like do you like it or do you not like it. And then once you do this survey, they're gonna give you points, and then you can withdraw these points into your PayPal account. Now the third one, which is the last one that I'm gonna be speaking about in this video today, it's called research.fm. Now this one basically it's a more of an app that you need to use into your phone. Now here they are, basically these are, it's a music industry where people, they are artists in the there. So what you have to basically do is you're gonna be listening to this song as well. It's somehow all of they want from you guys is to your opinion, because opinions matter the most. And you're gonna be listening to these songs, and then you're gonna give them opinions for that, and you are gonna get cashbacks, or I'm sorry, not cashbacks. I mean, you're gonna get points, and then you can withdraw these points into your PayPal account. Now, these are the top 3 that I found. There are many, and there's Slice the Pie also, which is basically it doesn't work anywhere anymore. For me, I personally have, it's the website. Their website is down, and Slice the Pie was also good. There's also radio station where you can listen to radio, which I already spoke about this before, and you have seen that video, and you basically liked that video, and you wanted me to make a new video about this. Now these are the top 3 that I found for you guys. And Research FM, I'm still right now, I haven't done anything from this website yet. I'm still making my reviews about it, and then until then you guys can go and do your own research about this as well, and maybe figure out something about this. And also make sure to comment and let me know. And also make sure to comment and let me know what you guys think about these, if you have used them before. Did it work for you guys? Do you guys make money from this, and all of that good stuff? And I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video really valuable, make sure to smash that like button. Also make sure to like this video, and also make sure to subscribe, because we make videos about how to make money online, and all that good stuff. And it will matter to me if you subscribe. So, and yeah, so, and if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, there is a link in my description. I do affiliate marketing, and if you guys are into affiliate marketing, and you guys want to make full-time income online from affiliate marketing, there's a link in my description, the first link, which is my recommendation. And also I'm gonna be sending you guys emails about my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing, where I document everything. I send out emails to my subscribers every day, showing them new tips, new tricks, and new ways to make money online. So feel free to sign up into my email list, and also check out my information there. So make sure also to check that as well, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.